Hey, it's Clay Trader, and this will be a video chart on GRDO, Guard Dog Incorporated. Did a video chart on this one a little while ago and have been doing some annotated charts on it. But it's been a while since I did a video. Want to get updated, especially after the past couple of days. Kind of crazy action going on, but nonetheless, the price is holding up. Chart is consolidating, and that is what you want to see. It's hopefully put in its new most recent low right back in this area here. Hopefully that'll be the lowest low it forms before making new highs above here, but obviously only time will tell on that. But just want to do a real quick video chart here on what's updated. Been getting some questions on it. Um, and really what we have taking place is just as mentioned in the beginning of the video, just some consolidation. We had the big move up here, and this was all kind of on, not kind of, it was on increasing volume, which was above average, as you can see here. And then from that point forward, it's just been going sideways on much less volume, which is what you want to see. So, some people might debate it on what exactly the pattern is, but for argument's sake, bull flag, bull pennant, one of those patterns is what it is. And once again, real quick, how this is formed is, this section here, which was formed on the above average volume. This is acting as the flagpole, so everybody put on your imagination hats here. So we'll picture this as the flagpole, and I'm not an artist, so cut me some slack. So here's the flagpole, and then what we have is this line here is going to be our resistance trend line, so I'll make this red. So I'll draw that down like that. And then here we have our support trend line, so I'll make that green. And as you can see, if we have the flagpole and then these two things, pretty much what I'm getting at is something that looks like that, which maybe looks like a golf flag, something like that. That's probably the best way to put it. But a bull pennant, bull flag, whatever you want to call it, that's what we have here. And the key being, like I said, this flagpole formed on above average volume, and then we have this section here, which is the flag or pennant portion. You look down here and correspond that, and you can see volume was much less. So now the issue really just becomes which way is it going to go out of this pattern. Obviously, if you're long, you want to see it bust to the upside of this pattern, and start to make new highs, and that's kind of what remains to be seen. The one kind of weird part that had me scratching my head today was a very low volume day, yet look how wide the range was on price action. So I don't know what's going on with the share structure, but it seems like shares are pretty tight here if this is able to fluctuate like this on such a low amount of volume. So with any sort of day like that coming in, this thing could get pretty explosive. Now, just to be, stay fair on common ground, that that holds for the other side of things too. If this is a big red value bar, this thing it looks like could take a pretty big beating to the downside. But with any stock is there's always a two-way street. Sure, it could take a beating to the downside, but at the same time, if this is upside volume, things could really get explosive to the upside. Which it'll be, I have no idea. But bottom line is, price is going sideways right now on much less volume, which is what you want to see. This isn't a bad thing. This is a good thing. Any chartist out there will tell you during consolidation periods, you want to see less volume than during the breakout periods. And then I just look real quick at the weekly chart, and you can see that weekly chart is basically doing the same thing. Ignore this candle because we still have 4 days left to be able to change this candle. So if we look at it like this, you can see we had our big week here, and then last week washed out quite a bit of the profit or people that wanted to get out and take profits. And once again, just to keep with the volume theme, you can look at that week way above average volume when you look at all these previous weeks, and then you can see right there the consolidation week was on much less volume. So a lot of people got washed out last week, and now this week is off to a good green start, but it's just a matter of seeing which way it's going to go from this chart pattern. So if you have any other questions on the chart, let me know. Like I said, nothing special or spectacular, but I did want to get that updated. And there's really not too much else to say until you see which way the price decides to go from those trend lines. So it's kind of a wait and see situation right now in terms of what the price wants to do within the pattern it's in. But if you do have any other questions, please shoot me a message. Also, if you have not already, I'd encourage you to check out bullmarketnewsletter.net. If you go there and sign up for the emailer, you'll be sent a free ebook, which has been getting very good reviews. And then with your subscription, you'll get all sorts of things from chart setups to trade ideas to educational things, all free of charge. So there's no hidden fees or anything like that. And we've been having some good success making our members money, so it's been a good situation there. So it's worth at least giving a try. So one more time, this was GRDO. Thanks for listening, and let's see what the rest of this week does.